Hi, I'm here with Pia Perfetto. I said it right, correct?
Yes.
All right, Pia, I'm sorry. Pia is an attorney with HoganWillig, and she wrote a wonderful newsletter about the new HEROES Act for New York State. You want to talk about what that is?
So the HEROES Act is a piece of legislation that was recently passed by the governor in New York State, and it broadly applies to workplaces in the private sector, but exempts the public sector. And what this legislation does is it implements certain safety standards for the health and welfare of employees. It also permits employees to come together as a committee to oversee the implementation and effectuation of these safety plans.
So coming out of COVID-19, this new law, New York State law, says that employees have a voice in how the companies will open up, essentially, or how the companies will...
Yes, as New York State private sector employees return to work, we're seeing the state reopen in response to the pandemic. It's providing employees with a greater voice to express themselves in terms of their health and safety and how it's protected by the employer.
But not just for COVID-19, for
other infectious airborne diseases
right.
as well.
So
yes.
What do you suggest to employers? They can read your newsletter, but they probably have to take action to create policies so they're compliant under the law, correct?
Correct. So I do recommend reading the newsletter. It will give you a broad outline of what you have to do as an employer, but you should be aware of several deadlines. Going forward, the Department of Labor will issue minimum safety standards. Employers are required to implement a minimum safety plan by August. So you have an upcoming deadline of August, and then moving into the fall months of September and November, you'll have other deadlines to comply with.
Well, thank you, Pia. If they want to learn more, they can read the newsletter, go to
Yes.
our vlog, or what else, the website.
Yes.
And I appreciate your time, and thank you for writing it.
Of course.